Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh, and hi everyone. First of all, my name is Muhammad Shafizal Izwan bin Muhammad Al-Midi from Group 9. Today we want to present about the project of BFC 31802 Highway Engineering. The topic of this project is Pavement Condition Index. Highway engineering is an engineering discipline branching from civil engineering that involves the planning, design, construction, operation, and maintenance of roads, bridges, and tunnels to ensure safe and effective transportation of people. Generally, this field of study will explain further about the road condition and its specification. This is also explains about the failure that occur on the road, such as potholes, cracks, and other distress with their own specification that includes size, cost, and the maintenance of the road condition as these are corresponding to each other. Lastly, about the maintenance and rehabilitation works. This part is the most important work to be done in order to make sure there are no further failure which lead to the hardness of repairing the current failure and leading to existence another new failure. Okay, the next slide is about the background research. This research will show the type of structure failure that occur in 1.2 km located at Alor Gajah, Malacca. It takes 1 minute from a distance 1.2 km starting from Jalan Alor Gajah, Masjid Tanah 78000 Alor Gajah, Malacca to opposite Pekalendu Jalan Alor Gajah 78000 Alor Gajah, Malacca via Jalan Bandar. Okay, the next slide we will present by Muhammad Shahid.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Shahid bin Mustafa. My metric number CF200126. For the objective of our project, first, to assess any road damage such as potholes, cracks, or other distress that may be detected on the road in Alor Gajah, Malacca, 1.2 km chosen road. Second, to use PCI analysis to determine the extent of road damage. Finally, to determine whether the damage require any maintenance or restoration occur on the highway. For the literature review, pavement on the road are one of the most important elements that must be monitored on a regular basis since they are one of the most important assets of highway infrastructure. One of fundamental component of any pavement management system is the evaluation of pavement performance using a pavement condition indicator. This pavement performance and prognosis are based on the lifespan of the pavement and the pavement condition index PCI. Following that, the network level technique is one of the finest maintenance and repair option with related cost of for various pavement condition index range. Finally, the relationship between pavement state and structural failure and road maintenance is critical. This is done to ensure that the road condition are always in the best possible condition for all users the specified location. For the methodology, research methodology, first, the selection of a place for PCI analysis. Second, every part of the writing material will be discussed. Third, the information gathered during the monitoring of the place has been compiled and analysis. Following that, analysis of the pavement condition index, PCI. Furthermore, identify appropriate maintenance and rehabilitation M&R work. Next, the writing process and the partitioning of writing content into partition. Next, the process of compiling and modifying written information. For the last process is a process of publication and submission. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Fatimah binti Muhammad Mukanuddin, metric number CF20161. Now I will present about raw data analysis. Okay, first of all, we have to find the I, which is n over n small. N is total number of sample in section, and small is minimum number of sample unit to be inspected. Hence, the sample unit to be inspected are 1, 4, 7, and 10. For sample unit 1, the distress level that we found only 4, which is 7L, edge cracking low, 11L, patching and utility cut low, 11M, patching and utility cut medium, 1M, alligator cracking medium. After we got the quantity, we total all the quantity, then we find the density. After we find the density, we have to find the deduct number. After that, determine the maximum allowable number of deduct. Then, we determine the maximum correction deduct value. For sample unit 1, the PCI is 83. Based on the rating of PCI value of 83, this section pavement is loss B, which is satisfactory. For sample unit 2, the distress that we found only 2, which is 11 low, patching and cut low, 7L, which is edge cracking low. The result is, based on the rating of PCI of value 92, this section pavement is loss A. It is good. For sample unit 3, the distress that we found only 4, which is 7 low, edge cracking low, 7M, edge cracking medium, 6L, depression low, and 1L, alligator cracking low. The result for sample 3 is, based on the rating for PCI value of 85, this section of pavement is loss B, means satisfactory. Last sample is sample 4. We only found 3 distress only, which is 11L, patching and cut low, 7M, edge cracking medium, and the last one 5L, corrugation low. And the result is, based on the rating for PCI value of 82, this section of pavement is loss B, means satisfactory. That's all from me. Thank you. I will pass to the next presenter.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Mustaqim bin Syed Ahmad Yasin. My metric number is CF200106. Today I would like to talk about discussion on the result. As indicated by the information that we are determined, our 1 kilometer course has been noticed, and there are numerous types of level satisfactory and level good that has been found. We as a whole have 4 examples to decide the asphalt condition list. For instance, we require the subsequent example. We track down a couple of severities on the space, and the asphalt condition record worth of that street is 92. This part is asphalt is acceptable where it needs to routine support. Same goes to our first and forward example, where our asphalt condition file is 83 and 82. This segment of asphalt is acceptable. From this work, we realize that the street is put something aside for the client. For the example, in view of the rating for asphalt condition file, estimate is 85. This segment of asphalt is acceptable. It need to do the standard upkeep, keep up the security of the street. The PCI rating that we acquire from each example is not difficult to us to recognize the degree of seriousness of the street. This is significant to accomplish such alarm rate for the street harm.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name Muhammad Faisal Irwan bin Mukhtar, and metric number CF200192. Some samples of road. First picture is about edge cracking, and the second picture is about patching and utility cut, and the third picture is alligator cracking. The picture about link shoulder drop off, and the fifth picture is about weathering and revealing. For the last picture is pothole. The next slide is joint reflection cracking. Next picture is corrugation. Corrugation produce low severity, right quality. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.